Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss this keyword in JavaScript. This is one of the most asked interview question. What is this keyword in JavaScript? So this represents an object executing the current function. So what do you mean by that? For example, if I write console.log of this, so what it will do, so this will give the window function which it is calling. It will always represent an object executing the current function. So let me execute this in the browser. So if I execute it here, you can see clearly it is a window object. So there are few rules here which this keyword uses, and listen to this very carefully so that you will understand it properly. If the function is method in an object itself, if the function is method in an object, this will represent object object itself. So what is this exactly? So I'll show you an example. If the function is method in an object, so we have an object. In that object, we have a function. If we call that function by using this method, so this will give you the entire object. First, let me clear it on the browser. So let me take a simple object called student. Student will have a serial number. So I'm giving one serial number, and also student will have many subjects to learn. So let me give subjects as function, and I'll write here console.log this, and I'll call this function here. I'll write student dot subjects. Now this keyword here, it is called by a method inside an object. Student is an object. Now subjects is a method inside this object. So this will give you the entire object. It will represent the entire object. So let me execute this. I've already saved it. So let me now execute it. So if I execute it, you can see here. So it has now given me the entire object, which is serial number and the subject as a method inside it. So this is the first rule which I was talking about. So let me just write a rule number one. These are not pinpointed rules. So these are the few things which will help us understand what is this keyword. So let us see what is the second rule. Rule 2. So if the function is regular function and it is not a part of an object, this will give window object in browsers. So let me write if the function is just a regular function and also not an part of an object, part of the object. So this will represent window object in browser. This will represent window object in browser. So this is rule number 2. So let me write rule number 1 here. Rule 1, and now rule 2. So what is a regular function? If I just write function meeting open bracket close bracket, if I write console.log of this, so this will give me the window object. So I'll comment this, just meeting. You can see it has now called the window function, and this is in 21st line. So it is calling this function. So this is just a regular function where we give function name, open bracket, close bracket. Inside this, we are calling this. Rule number one was when we just call this student method, which is inside our object student, subject method, which is inside our object student, it will give you the entire object, which is serial number and subjects. Now, let me comment this also. Now, let us write a rule number 3. Rule 3. So, what is a rule 3? We would have seen many times that, so we'll be calling a constructor using new keyword, right? So, when we deal with the constructor, this will point empty object. I'm just writing it in a comment section. This code will not be executed, but in the description I'll put the entire code with examples so that you guys can understand this properly, and also you can play around with different set of examples. So I'll write rule number 3 here. Rule 3. Let's take an example. So I'll take the same example of student, and also it will be a constructor. The constructor I'll be writing like this, student, and also I'll take an argument with serial number. So this dot serial number equal to serial number, I'll call it. Now I'll do console dot log this. So now what this will do, this will call an empty object. How it will call an empty object? So we'll define some reference variable. So student reference variable equal to new student. So this is calling a constructor. So serial number will give it as 2. So now you might think this is a regular function and it will give you the window object. Instead of that, it will generate a new, with the new keyword, it will generate an empty object. So let me execute this. I've commented the other two. Okay, now let me execute this. As you can see here, it has now called student with the serial number 2. So this is another rule which you are following, and I'll put this as an entire example in the description. So let us see one more example where we can see the rule number 1 in a different way. Rule 1, I'll write just rule 1 advanced. I'll copy the code. So I'll write I'll take one more variable. I'll write weekdays as an array. So I'll write Monday, So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Show weekdays as a method. So I'll write it here. So this function of the array which you want to call. So it will be a loop of 5. So we'll write for each, and we'll write a function to pass a weekday, and this will take a function. So I'll write console.log with giving this and a weekday. Now this might create a little bit of confusion, so we will call this function, this method, in this object. I'll take student advanced as an object. So let me just write student advanced dot show weekdays. So this here, normally in the first example, this has written the entire object. The expectation of this also might be to write the entire object, right? So let us see the scenario what it will does. So if I reload it, as you can see, it has written a window object and also the tag, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this is actually referring to this function and is returning a weekday. This is calling this function, right? So in order to avoid it, in order to write the entire object based on this, we should call this here based on serial number. So I have to give comma here. So this will take this as an argument. So this one will call this entire object, and this will be specific for the function. Sorry for that, I had to use capital SNO. So if I re-execute it, as you can see here, it is 1 serial number it has given with Monday, Tuesday. So student with serial number 1 should attend all the 5 days of these all 5 days he should attend the school. So like that we can write more consistently in this manner. If you just give serial number, if we just remove this, so this will again give the entire object. So if I execute it again, you can see here it has now got the entire object with the weekday. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, take care, have a great day, bye bye.